Hey YouTube, this is Brett Mustang 1. Here's my trash pick Toro GTS lawnmower. We're gonna do a cold start. It's about probably like 38 degrees out. It hasn't been started in like a week or two. Cause I was trying to, I put some Stay-Bil and I just made sure it started up again. Just do one last start before I put it away, but this will be officially the last start. Just to show you. I did not get the new spark plug and air filter yet, so hopefully we do good with this. So hopefully it starts right up. So let's do it. Alright, hopefully that stays. Takes a little bit. I don't think I pumped it enough because first time starting a week or two. So hopefully that'll fire it. So this is the startup of a 6 horsepower Toro GTS trash pick lawnmower. So there will be more videos that come of this probably. Me giving it a little bit of a tune-up and stuff in the spring. That's basically all it needs. I need to change the oil, get the spark plug, and the new air filter. So see you later, YouTube. Bye.